one will end up as a disaster if you know how to make money, but you don't know how to manage money. Go and check, go and research. History has it, even till now. So please, on your path to financial freedom, the first thing you need to learn, any other thing is secondary, is how to manage money. And managing your money has to do with majorly, you need to know these three things. Number one is saving money. Number two is budgeting money. Number three is protecting money. In the case of Mike Tyson, you will know that he did not save. For him to have declared for bankruptcy, it means he did not save. It means he did not budget his money. It means he did not protect his money. The question is, are you protecting your money? Are you budgeting your money? Are you saving your money? If you are not, sincerely, you are at risk